Boosting your GoodFirms reviews is all about energizing your audience and showing off what makes your brand shine. Start by making it super simple for your satisfied clients to leave feedback. Send a friendly follow-up email, add a direct GoodFirms review link to your website, and don't be shy about asking for that 5-star shout-out. Incentivize their efforts with exclusive offers or discounts, turning happy customers into loyal brand advocates. Keep the conversation going by always responding to reviews, whether they're glowing or constructive. This demonstrates your commitment to customer care and builds serious trust. Get creative by running exciting contests or events that encourage clients to share their experiences on GoodFirms. Stay active on the platform by participating in webinars and sharing your insights, which boosts your visibility and authority. And don't forget to highlight those stellar reviews on your social channels. Let your audience see just how much your clients love working with you.